Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not connecting on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings. After that you will enter to the window of storage and you can click here, apps. You will go to the apps like this in the first. Then you can search about Zoom. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on the application, the window of storage, and here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Bye.